How to enable or disable battery saver mode in Windows 10 laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for settings. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on system located on left side of your screen on top. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In left side, search for battery. You'll find battery above storage and below power and sleep. And you'll find battery saver in here. From here, you can enable it or disable it. And that's how you enable, disable battery saver mode in Windows 10 laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.